Hi, this is Gokul. I am the founder of Signler, and Signler stands for Cybernetics Laboratory. And what we finally built here is to make an universal vision platform that can enable robots to be intuitively good in manipulating the objects, right? Why is this platform being built, and what are the limitations that we have about this robotics today? Because we have witnessed Boston Dynamics, we have witnessed robots playing TT and on all these different videos, but yet today we do not have a robot that is so dynamic enough that a simple nut could be picked from its natural state and then start placed into a screw hole without the first two threads slipping. This is a very complicated task, apparently for the robots, but human beings are very adept at doing these and achieving these tasks, right? The key reason why this happens is a robot today is frankly a dumb machine, having 6 motors, just like your autonomous cars have 4 motors. This has 6 motors, but in a complex link, and that kind of requires a complex kinematics to be written, and that's where most of the innovation has gone towards. That innovation has resulted the robots to be 20 micron precise. If I have recorded a particular position and I want to make the robot move to a particular position and then kind of handle an object or move to that particular position and then stay there, you'll keep repeating that position at 20 micron accuracy every time that you want to do it. Sometimes you do for years together without having to slip even it's one fifth of your highest thickness. But essentially what also becomes a problem today is that a robot that is that precise also requires the object to be presented with that precision, right? Now, let's say I have this particular thing, a visiting card holder, and if you want a robot to be able to interface with this particular piece, even a slight tilt will make them assume that the part has been held, but it will slip and then fall, right? Or you will start damaging the part that you think it is smaller, but actually it might be larger because of the orientation that you held. All this is because the system is incapable of having a sensitivity towards what has changed in its environment. Now, putting a vision on top of a robotic arm is not a new thing, and then make it aware of its environment is something that it's an articulated problem for past 40 years. And it's also incidentally called as the holy grail of robotics. Except every such AI ML phenomenon that has come about in the past decade isn't able to deliver a satisfactory result in trying to handle an object. That's simply because whenever we think of vision, we think that, hey, you take a color sample of the space of the world, a color image of the world, and start matching them in your head. Now, when you want to match